This is for Olive's advanced trick dog video submission. Can you see it okay? Okay. Come on, Olive. Back, 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 back. Good girl. Get a shape. Oh, doggone it, she missed it. That's all right. That was for backup. That's good girl. Nope. Leave it. Okay, then we're gonna do leg lead. Nope, leave it off. Yep. Oh. Sit. Down. Ready? Dig. Zag. Olive. Zag. Olive. Olive. Come here. Here. Hey. Come on, let's try it again. Hey. Sit down. Ready? Olive. Olive. Right here. Zag. Right here. Right here. Zig. Right here. Zag. Right here. Zig. Good girl. Okay. All right. Nope. Here. Come on. Pivot paws on a disc. I know you like this. Come here. Put your paws. Come on there. Good job. Okay. Let me have it, Uber. Okay. Hey. Here, we'll do that later. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. Olive, come here. Olive. Come here. Ready? Bang! Oh my goodness. He got you, didn't it? Come here. I think you've only got to do them once for advance. Maybe we should do them twice. Come here, bring it here. All right. Let's do it again. Do it here. Come here. Maybe we better do them twice. Here, Olive, pause. Olive. Olive, pause. Pivot. Olive. Pivot. Come on. Olive, pivot. Hey, go ahead. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come here. This stuff's gonna count. Come here. Olive. Here. I didn't think of that. Zag. Ready? Olive. Zig. Right here. Zag. Good job. Here. Zig. Here. Zig. Olive. Come on, babe. Here. We're having trouble here. Olive. Zig. Ready? Zig. Good. Olive. Zag. Right here. Zig. Right here. Zag. Good girl. Okay, what do we do? The back. Okay, we didn't do it. Come here. Come here. Back. Back. Back up. Back up. Back. 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 Keep going. Back up. Good job. Come here. Bring here. Good job. Okay, then we're back to play dead. Come here. Come here. Move your ball. Come here. Hey. Get back on track here. You ready? Bang. All right, girl. Okay, come here. Hey. Do that. Okay, come here. Sit. Good job. Come here. Let's do it this way. Come on. Leave it. Come on. Okay, here. Olive. Stay. 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 Olive. Sit. Down. Very good. Come on. Good job. What's that? Oh, come here. Let's do the weavies. Come here. Olive. Circle. Ah. Come here. Come here. That ball is just too tempting. Circle. Good. Ready? Circle. Olive. Come here. Ready? Circle. Good. That's good. Circle. That's good. Circle. That's good. Circle. Good job. Okay, then we're gonna... Olive, come here. Okay, can you sit down? Good job. Okay, can you turn the light on? Good. Back off of it so I can see. Did you get it? Whoop. Here, try it again. Turn it off. Oh, try it again. Here. Turn your light on. Oh, you hit it again. Then you turn it off. Turn your light on. Thanks. Olive. Turn your light on. There we go. Oh, she's getting it, but it's not. Come here. Come here. Turn your light on. Turn it. There we go. Here, come here. Let's try it one more time so we can show her. Turn your light on. There we go. Light's on. Okay. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. No, come here. You sit. Good girl, stay. Can you get the hanky? Bring it here. Very good. Okay. Yeah, here. Yeah. Good girl. Go get the hanky. Bring it here. Very good. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Now this one. Come here, Olive. You are a ball hound, aren't you? Here, stay. Olive, bring me the bag. Bring it here. Very good. Okay, sit. Sit. Good. Okay, go get the bag and bring it here.